If you are getting this problem on WhatsApp where it says you can't use your number because your account is banned, don't panic. This video is for you. As you can see, WhatsApp is showing this error because you may have used modified apps like GB WhatsApp or MB WhatsApp. That's why your account got suspended. But don't worry, I have the best solution for you. First, open another WhatsApp account, not the one that's banned. If your normal WhatsApp was banned, use another normal WhatsApp. If your business WhatsApp was banned, use another business WhatsApp. This step is important before contacting support. Once you have the new working WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Help, and open the Help Center. There you'll see a button that says Contact Us. Click that button. It will take you to the WhatsApp Help chatbot, where you'll be talking directly with their support team. Now you need to write something to them, and if you don't know what to say, I've already prepared the perfect message. It's a professional apology message you can copy from the comment section. Replace the number and name inside the text with your own details. Make sure you include your band number with the country code. After that, send the message to the WhatsApp Help chatbot and wait. Usually, they reply within 1 or 2 weeks, and in most cases, they restore your account. If this video helps you, subscribe and like. I post daily quick tech fixes under 5 minutes.